How to fix Instagram is down. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have updated your Instagram app to its latest version or not. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Here we go. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just tap on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. But if you see the option of open, that means your Instagram app is already up to date. After you do that, you can check whether your Instagram is working or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option Instagram. You'll see the option of background app refresh. Toggle off for this option. Now wait for a few seconds and again enable it. Now you can check whether your Instagram app is working or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it. For that, long press on your Instagram app. Tap on the option remove app. Tap on delete app. After you uninstall your app, again open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram and install it. Also, you can give a fresh restart to your device. That may also fix your problem. So applying all these processes, your Instagram might work. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.